Assalamu alaikum viewers. Here is Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir for the second lectures of accounting. This is the English version of accounting cycle in which we can easily understand what is accounting. So the second lecture is consist upon the definition of the accounting and then how to do this process and what is the basic purpose of the accounting. First of all, we are started with the definition of the accounting. Financial accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and reporting transactions to stakeholders, particularly external stakeholders. And the basic of the financial accounting to satisfy the external stakeholder. How financial accounting works? It works. The first step is the recording to do debit and credit. The second step is a classifying to make and post debit and credit into ledger account. We have already discussed there are two types of a ledger account. One is the T account and other is the running balance form. So we use here in this example only the T account. Then there is a summarizing to prepare financial statement, and then there is a reporting step to share financial reports with the stakeholders, externals in particular. The purpose of the financial accounting is to provide information about a company's financial health to stakeholders, external stakeholders in particular, such as investors, creditors, and tax authorities. This information helps stakeholders make economic decisions about the company. There are three basic financial statements which are we going to prepare. Number one is the balance sheet, which gives you financial position of the company. Then there is an income statement, which show a picture of the financial performance. Then there is a cash flow statement, which which depict the financial health of the company. Similarly, what is a basic? When we say these basic, so what it means that they are essential and must be included for any analysis to be complete. Missing one of them make you unable to do the analysis. Certainly, we are preparing the financial statement, and financial statement is the basic purpose of the accounting. These three financial statements are important for the analysis. The first one is the balance sheet, the second one is the income statement, and the third one is the cash flow statement. Hope you watch our channels. Please subscribe it, comment, and share with others that the other will get the benefit. Thank you so much.